Yo, what's up everybody? It's MKBHD here, and today, we've got some seriously exciting news that could shake up the entire tech landscape. If you've been following the world of artificial intelligence, you know that the race to build the most powerful AI chips is heating up like never before. Well, buckle up because there's a new player making some major moves. The tech world just got a whole lot more interesting, and honestly, it's not every day that we see a development with the potential to change the game for everyone, from startups to the biggest names in Silicon Valley. This isn't just another product launch or a minor upgrade, we're talking about a move that could redefine the balance of power in the global tech industry. So, here's the headline. Huawei, the Chinese tech giant known for pushing boundaries in smartphones and networking, just dropped a bombshell announcement. They're developing their own AI chip, and from what we're hearing, it's not just any chip, it's designed to compete with the very best in the business. Think Nvidia, AMD, and even Google's custom silicon. Huawei is aiming high, and they're not holding back. This is a huge deal, especially right now. We've all heard about the global chip shortages, the supply chain issues, and the growing push for tech independence. Countries and companies alike are realizing that whoever controls the chips controls the future of technology. Huawei stepping into the AI chip arena is a bold move, and it signals that they're ready to take on the world's biggest tech challenges head-on. We're talking about a potential game changer here. If Huawei can deliver on their promises, this chip could power everything from next-gen smartphones and smart home devices to autonomous vehicles and massive data centers. Imagine the possibilities: faster AI processing, more efficient energy use, and maybe even breakthroughs in machine learning that we haven't seen before. Huawei's aiming to build a chip that can go head-to-head with the best out there, and that's saying something. The competition is fierce, with established players pouring billions into R&D, but Huawei has a track record of innovation, and they're bringing serious resources to the table. If they succeed, it could mean more options, better prices, and a whole new wave of innovation for consumers and businesses alike. This could shake things up in a big way, not just for Huawei but for the whole industry. We're talking about new partnerships, shifting alliances, and maybe even a rethinking of how AI is developed and deployed around the world. Other companies will have to respond, and that means more competition, faster progress, and hopefully better tech for everyone. But let's zoom out for a second. This move is about more than just one company trying to get ahead. It's about the bigger picture, the global race for AI dominance. Every major economy wants to be at the forefront of artificial intelligence, and having the best hardware is a huge part of that equation. It's about China's ambition to become a global leader in AI, and with this new chip, they're taking a big step in that direction. The government is backing massive investments in research and development, and companies like Huawei are leading the charge. This isn't just about catching up, it's about setting the pace for the future. And with this new chip, they're not just talking the talk, they're walking the walk. If Huawei can deliver a chip that rivals or even surpasses what's currently on the market, it could accelerate the adoption of AI across countless industries, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. So, stay tuned because things are about to get really interesting. We're witnessing the start of a new chapter in the AI revolution, and you can bet we'll be keeping a close eye on how this unfolds. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business leader, or just someone who loves seeing what's next, this is one story you won't want to miss. Okay, so what exactly are AI chips, and why are they suddenly at the center of so many conversations about technology, business, and even our daily lives? You might have heard the term thrown around in news headlines or tech blogs, but let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense. AI chips are, in essence, the specialized hardware that powers artificial intelligence. But why should you care? Well, these tiny pieces of silicon are quietly transforming the world around us, often in ways you might not even notice. From the phone in your pocket to the smart devices in your home, AI chips are making technology smarter, faster, and more intuitive. In simple terms, these chips are like the brains of AI systems. Just as your brain processes information, makes decisions, and learns from experience, AI chips are designed to do the same for machines. But while the human brain is a marvel of biology, AI chips are marvels of engineering. Built to process vast amounts of data at lightning speed, they're specifically designed to handle the massive amounts of data and complex calculations that AI requires. Imagine trying to solve a 1,000-piece puzzle in seconds. That's the kind of challenge AI chips tackle every day. They're built to crunch numbers, recognize patterns, and make split-second decisions, all while using as little energy as possible. Think of it like this. Your phone's regular processor is great for everyday tasks like browsing the web or sending messages. But when it comes to running advanced AI applications like real-time language translation or image recognition, it needs a serious upgrade. That's where AI chips come in. They're like having a supercomputer squeezed onto a tiny chip, giving your devices the power to do things that once seemed impossible. These chips can process information way faster and more efficiently than traditional processors. This means AI can analyze huge datasets, learn from them, and make decisions in real time. Whether it's a smart assistant understanding your voice commands, or a medical AI scanning thousands of images for signs of disease, AI chips are the engines making it all possible. We're talking about everything from recognizing faces in your photos, to powering self-driving cars that navigate busy city streets to enabling smart security cameras that can spot unusual activity instantly. AI chips are behind the scenes making these futuristic technologies a reality today. These chips are the driving force behind the AI revolution. As they become more advanced, we'll see even more powerful AI applications. Think smarter robots, more accurate medical diagnostics, and even AI systems that can help tackle global challenges like climate change. The future of AI is being built right now, one chip at a time, and it's only going to get more exciting from here. In the rapidly evolving world of artificial intelligence, the race to develop the most advanced AI chips has become a high-stakes battle between some of the world's most powerful technology companies. While Huawei has recently made headlines with its bold entry into the AI chip arena, it's important to remember that they're not the only contender vying for dominance in this space. Nvidia, for instance, has long been recognized as a major force in the industry. Their graphics processing units, or GPUs, have set the standard for AI performance, powering everything from self-driving cars to advanced research and deep learning. For years, Nvidia's chips have been the go-to choice for researchers, developers, and tech companies looking to harness the power of artificial intelligence. With this head start, Nvidia has built a reputation for reliability and innovation. But now, Huawei is entering the scene with remarkable momentum, determined to challenge the status quo and disrupt the market. The competition is heating up, and the stakes have never been higher. Although it's still early days for Huawei's latest chip, the technical specifications they've released are turning heads across the industry. The new chip boasts impressive processing speeds, energy efficiency, and advanced neural network capabilities that could potentially redefine what's possible in AI hardware. According to Huawei, their chip is capable of outperforming some of Nvidia's top-of-the-line models in specific benchmarks, particularly in tasks related to machine learning and data analysis. These claims have sparked intense debate among experts, with many eager to see real-world tests and independent reviews. Of course, while benchmarks provide valuable insights, they don't always capture the full picture. Real-world performance depends on a variety of factors, including software optimization, ecosystem support, and long-term reliability. Still, the fact that Huawei is making such bold claims is a clear indication that they're not just participating, they're aiming to lead. Ultimately, this fierce competition between Huawei and Nvidia is great news for the entire tech industry. When companies push each other to innovate, it accelerates progress and leads to better, more powerful technology for everyone. As these tech titans battle for supremacy, we can expect to see rapid advancements in AI chip technology, fueling smarter devices, more capable robots, and groundbreaking solutions that will shape the future. In the end, this rivalry benefits us all, driving the next wave of innovation in artificial intelligence. So where are these AI chips actually used? The answer is everywhere. We're talking about everything from the tech in your pocket to massive data centers. For example, self-driving cars rely heavily on AI chips to process data from sensors and make split-second decisions. These chips are also used in data centers to power everything from image recognition to natural language processing. And don't forget about our smartphones. AI chips are making our phones smarter, with features like voice assistants and computational photography. The possibilities are pretty much endless. The development of AI chips isn't just a tech issue, it's a geopolitical one too. The US and China are locked in a tight race for tech dominance, and AI is a major battleground. Whoever controls the most advanced AI technology will have a significant advantage in the future. It's about economic power, national security, and even global influence. Huawei's push into AI chips is a sign that China is serious about competing in this race. They're investing heavily in research and development, and they're not afraid to challenge the status quo. But it's not all smooth sailing for Huawei. They've faced some serious challenges, particularly from the US government. The trade ban imposed by the Trump administration has made it difficult for Huawei to access crucial components for their chips. This has forced Huawei to become more self-reliant. They're investing heavily in their own chip design and manufacturing capabilities. It's a tough road, but Huawei's shown they're determined to overcome these obstacles. The global chip shortage has also created challenges for Huawei, just like it has for other tech companies. But they're adapting and finding ways to keep moving forward. Huawei's push into AI chips could have a ripple effect throughout the tech world. More competition in the AI chip market is good news for innovation. It'll drive down prices and lead to more powerful and efficient AI chips for everyone. This could accelerate the development of new AI applications and technologies. We could see even more breakthroughs in areas like healthcare, transportation, and robotics. Huawei's move could also lead to a more multipolar tech landscape. Instead of a US-dominated industry, we could see a more balanced playing field with China as a major player. All of this might seem a bit abstract, but the truth is, AI chips are already impacting your life in countless ways. They're powering the smartphones we use, the websites we visit, and the cars we drive. As AI chips become more powerful and affordable, we can expect to see even more AI-powered devices and services in our everyday lives. This could mean everything from personalized medicine to smarter homes that anticipate our needs. The future of AI is full of possibilities, and Huawei's move into AI chips is just the latest chapter in this exciting story. So there you have it. Huawei's decision to develop its own AI chip is a major development in the tech world. It's a sign of China's growing ambitions in AI, and it's sure to shake things up in the industry. The competition between Huawei and established players like Nvidia will only benefit consumers in the long run, driving innovation and making AI more accessible to everyone. We're entering a new era of AI innovation, and it's going to be fascinating to see how it all unfolds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Peace out.